All right, let's look at the practice exam 3, problem number 8, part A. All right, so let's evaluate this definite integral. All right, so first I'm going to simplify the integrand here. So this is going to be equal to, all right, integral from 1 to 4. All right, so I'm going to split this into two quotients here. So you have x divided by square root of x. All right, square root of x is 1/2 power. X is first power. So 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2 power. So it's going to be x to the 1/2 power. Right? Then we have a minus sign. So you have minus. Right? 2 over square root of x. So this is the second part. So here is the 2 over square root of x. So that's going to be 2 times x to the, right, since x is on the bottom, so it's going to be a negative power. Square root is corresponding to 1/2 power, right? And with respect to x. All right, then we can just use power rule to find antiderivatives. So here, antiderivative of x to the 1/2 power would be, we're going to add 1 to the power, so we're going to get 3/2, right? Then divide by 3/2 is equivalent to multiply by 2/3. So instead of dividing by 3/2, I'm going to multiply by 2/3, right? And then there's a minus 2, so that's just going to be a constant multiple there. I add 1 to negative 1/2 is 1/2, so it's going to be x to the 1/2 power. Then divided by 1/2 is equivalent to multiply by 2. So I'm going to put the 2 in front. Right? Then you're going from 1 to 4. All right, then plug in 4. So you're going to get, so if you plug in 4 here, all right, 4 to the 3/2 power would be, first I'm going to do a 1/2 power, which is going to give you 2. And then cube that, so that would be 8. So 4 to the 3/2 power is 8. So 8 times 2 is 16 over 3, right? And here, if you plug in 4, square root of 4 is 2. So it's going to be negative 2 times 2 times 2. So it's going to be minus 8, right? Minus, then we plug in the bottom number. So if you plug in 1, it's 1 to the anything is 1. So it's going to be just the 2/3. Right? Then we have a minus 2 times 2 times 1, so minus 4. Right? So this is going to be equal to, right? I'm going to do 16 over 3 minus 2 over 3, right? So that would be 14 over 3, so 14 over 3, right? Then we have negative 8 plus 4, so minus 4. All right, minus 4 is, let's see, minus 4 is equivalent to 12 over 3, right? So this is going to be 2/3, right? So that's the value of the definite integral, right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.